Here's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. Chevrolet tweaked this popular crossover, giving the Equinox a bigger grille with chrome accents flowing into the stylish and more pronounced headlights. Inside, passengers in the first and second row have leg-stretching room and plenty of headspace for a comfortable commute, and a touchscreen media display makes it easy to find the right entertainment. Plus, the rear vision camera is one of many safety features, making sure your path is clear for a safe trip home.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. The premium sound system gives you a rich listening experience. Hindsight is 20/20 with a backup camera.
You don't need to sacrifice premium style for space and storage. It's all in this 2016 Chevrolet Equinox. Make this one yours today.
Banks Chevrolet Cadillac Buick GMC. Come see us today at 137 Manchester Street in Concord for great selection and a stress-free experience.